9 guys, we're here doing a BB gun challenge. We're doing 3 rounds. For each round, we each get 1 shot. The target is listed 1, 3, 5, 7, and for whoever loses, there will be a punishment, and it'll be funny. So stay tuned, and let's do
round 1.
Ready for the gun show.
I'm going first. Zach's going down.
So after checking the target, Joe missed, so it's my turn now. So guys, that was round 1. So yeah, we both missed, so it's a tie. Now we're on to
round 2.
All right, he got the 1. Yep. All right, that means Joey got round 2. Now we're on to
round 3.
He's close, but he missed. So I need to score 1 or any points. It'll send us in overtime. So here we go. Joey's about to go, and we're going into
round 4/overtime.
All right, he got 3 points. Basically, I have to get 3 points or higher. Here we go. All right, so I lost, so that means that I'm going to get some sort of punishment. Don't know what it is, but we'll figure it out. And Joe's gonna get some sort of trophy because he's the winner. All right, we're here at the award ceremony, and for our winner here, we have none other than a nice giant cookie for his trophy. Give it up. Congratulations.
Thank you. For your punishment, I got you some nice anchovies.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay, so you're gonna take a bite of yours, and you're gonna try to swallow that, right?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be hard.
Yeah, so a giant cookie.
Nice big bite though.
I'm gonna take.
You have to swallow.
All right, you know what? I'm doing 2. All right, ready? All right, 3, 2, 1. How's your cookie, Joe?
Oh, it's amazing. That's your panned fish.
I've tasted better.
Have you swallowed?
Well, a little more, a little more. Got it. All right, I'm gonna tell you what that tastes like. Have you ever gone to the fish hatchery? It tastes like what it smells like fish poop.
Ew, 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 ew.
All right, well, thanks for watching, guys. If you're not subscribed, make sure to subscribe. I'm gonna go throw up, so thanks for watching. Should we-